and my sister's crying right now. Hi guys, well, you just seen what happened. I broke my foot. Well, I don't know if I did. I'm probably gonna go to the hospital tomorrow or something. So
Okay, we got call 911.